We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
This is what it looks like from our bedroom window this morning. Definitely snowy, definitely cold, and our very first white Christmas. Paddy, wake up. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. So this is us, mate, saying Merry Christmas to you all from Quebec.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Now we're heading off to breakfast for Christmas. Having a Christmas breakfast.
More food.
Just our table, and look at our view for breakfast.
That's a view for breakfast, isn't it?
Just want to show you guys for breakfast.
Here at the Fairmont, Quebec City, they've even got a Santa for the kids. I think it's really sweet. Not as fat as our Santas in Australia.
No, a bit thinner. Oh, well, it's good to see that we're not the only crazy people out here. Probably the only crazy Australians out here walking in the snow.
Oh, we slowly and carefully climbed our way down to the old port. We're just coming out to it now. These are just some beautiful shops and all the different alleys everywhere, all dressed up. It is snowing and it is cold, but this is a once in a lifetime experience. We've just bumped into some more Aussies up there walking carefully down, and if you just look from there, there's a river and a fair bit of it is ice. Let's see what else we see. If you do decide to come to do Christmas here, make sure you rug up, make sure you bring the warmest clothes you've got at home and then buy some more. Because we Australians don't know cold like this. I think, what did they say today was?
-8 so far.
Oh, I don't know, I think they said more than that. But yeah, -8 we'll say, which I don't think we've ever had in Sydney. Some places are open.
Some places are, yes. That's our hotel. We're down at the port, at the harbour, I guess. There's a ferry.
There's so many beautiful places to see in Quebec, but everything's closed. So we're just walking around.
There's a Pinocchio.
Is most of this work made by you, or?
I'm one of the carvers who work here. Before COVID, we were 9 carvers working here full time, so we made a lot of stuff. This is my wall right there.
Oh gosh, look at that.
Yeah, in Australia, fire security is pretty strong.
What is it? Better not, eh?
So he's carving a little Santa Claus. If you're ever in Quebec City, the old town, be sure to pop in here. Thank you for your time. Have a Merry Christmas.
gorgeous. Look, here's my friend Pinocchio.
Well, that's where the shop is that we were just in. Sculpture Flamande. I probably butchered that too, but you know what I mean. Very nice. We're going this funicular now, going all the way up there instead of walking on the steps in the slippery, slidey conditions.
It's much more enjoyable walking down, but yeah, it's easier.
Oh, that's right.
So it wasn't closed after all, but it just opened a bit later. Much nicer walking down. Probably would have been nice walking back up again, but it's just too cold and slippery, so we chose the easy way back up. But if you do come, walk one way and take the funicular the other, because it is a beautiful walk.
Well, it's really starting to come down now. You can barely see across the river. It's all whiting out. Yeah. Look at this, we just walked in from our little adventure outside and we got another gift. Looks like, what are they? Breads?
Another gift. We've got crackers and cheese.
Yeah.
Wow, is it because
And grapes.
we're vloggers, or because we're Aussies, or
Acor Plus members.
because we're Acor Plus? Yeah, who knows? But that looks so nice, I don't want to wreck it.
does.
It
It looks
so
beautiful.
pretty.
We're back out again. Going to explore a bit more of Quebec in the snow. I'm guessing this is the old city wall that surrounds Old Quebec.
Okay, that's it. Quebec City is beautiful, but we've eaten some cold today and we can't handle it anymore. So that's all we're going to show you of Quebec. But tomorrow we'll be able to show you Montreal.
We're at the bar, getting mocktails. Yay!
We don't drink very often, but
No,
we're
we
going
don't.
to have a drink
We're gonna
tonight.
have a mocktail.
Oh, you want a mocktail?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to have a mocktail.
Yes, not a real tail, a mocktail. Hungry and going to a buffet.
It's food time
It
again.
is, yes.
So we're off. This is it. Goodbye, beautiful Quebec. It's been absolutely wonderful.
And cold.
And cold. Oh, yes, it's definitely been cold. There's a lot of ice on the window. I think I can see the sun over there just coming up. This is it. We're on our way to Montreal now. Montreal, here we come.